Hello and welcome to WonderBlade. Today you're going to learn how to cut through Hardie Backerboard or fiber cement board easily. Now if you're doing a large tile remodeling project and you're doing a lot of cutting, you want to save time. Time is of essence here. And with that said, the best way to cut through Hardie Backer and fiber cement material for tile is with a saw. Don't use a regular framing saw blade to cut through Hardie Backer or fiber cement board. This saw blade creates a lot of dust and it's just not built for the job. What is built for the job is this polycrystalline diamond tip blade. And as you can see, this blade is specifically built for cutting Hardie Backerboard, and it has less teeth and is built for more airflow, and it cuts through fiber cement materials very quick and can help you do more jobs, cut more fiber cement backerboard. And this is especially useful if you're doing a lot of cutting. A framing saw blade is just not going to last long, and it creates a whole lot of dust. But if you don't have a regular saw and you have an angle grinder, well, we have this tough grip blade that also cuts through Hardie Backer extremely well. You really have to grab hold of the angle grinder when using this blade. It's a very powerful blade. It could also cut through tile, ceramic and porcelain tile very effectively, very well, and it even cuts through metal. This is a very great blade for general purpose use that is being used right here. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified on part 2 of this video, where we install grout and also remove grout and show you a whole lot of other tricks. You don't want to miss out on that.